Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, Alhamdulillah, in this occasion, you can back again to my channel, that is Rayhan Rusmana. So in this video, I will do my third project in IoT lesson, that is Mesolving Use Robot TinyBit. But before that, like usual, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Rayhan Najib Zafran Rusmana, and you can call me Rayhan. I am from student at IDN Boarding School Jonggol, and I am from 8th grade, especially at A class. So, in this project, Mesolving Use TinyBit robot is robot TinyBit that the robot follow the line that we already make. So what the different before project like robot TinyBit robot soccer use TinyBit robot and Bluetooth controller, and the different robot Bluetooth robot TinyBit Bluetooth controller with this project is, if the before project we use the controller is Bluetooth and LofiRobot.com for can control the robot. But in this project we have a different project that is robot TinyBit follow the line. So here I will explain about this code. So in this code there is on start will be show the LEDs. So when the first is the coding is start, it will be there is this LED, show this LED. In this LED I show is N and follow, and for this code is this the function of this code, or for the can follow the line or the route that we already make the line, and this for the speed, and also this for the line when robot TinyBit have two sensor here. The name of the sensor is sensor infrared, and the color is black and blue. There is two sensors in the right and also in the left. So the function of this sensor can detect a line, can use right sensor or left sensor. And also we just need three objects that we can use this object for make these projects, that is Mesolving Use TinyBit robot. Actually we need four objects. The first is the lines for the robot TinyBit can follow. So we need first print the line or make the line for this robot can follow that line. And the second, we need TinyBit robot. And the third, we need microbit for the brain of the robot TinyBit. And the last, we need cable USB port for can give this code from make code to microbit for the brain of the brain of TinyBit robot. So we give the code. The code is like the instruction for follow the line or the route that we already make, and this microbit for the brain for can give for can transfers from this code to robot TinyBit for do what we make from the code. And the function of cable USB port for can transfers this code to microbit chips, and robot TinyBit will do this instruction for follow the line. The code used when the live sensor detect white line, and also here when the right sensor detect a black line. And also this for can control the speed, can control in here, and I choose is 150 is medium. And here we use TinyBit code, but did you know if you want add the code TinyBit code in here, when we open microbit and make a new project, there is no, the name is TinyBit code in here, but because of that we need to add first in extension. Here we click and we can search or enter link URL. So here we must have the link or the URL. Like when we search in here robot TinyBit, there is no. But if we search in here, use link or URL for TinyBit Robo, it will be, there is extension BOM TinyBit Lab. We can take from this link github.com BOM teknologi TinyBit. We can copy and paste in extension, but first I want to connect it first the internet. If already, we can go to extension. Wait. If I connect to internet, we go to extension again and paste the link or the URL. So here it will be, there is the code, but because I'm already at the code TinyBit in here, so when I search again in extension mycode.com, it will be, there is no the code TinyBit, and will be, there is my video when TinyBit robot follow the line or the route.
Bisa kayak gitu aja rambutnya. Besok ya?
Iya Pak, berarti ada Jumat.
Pak, nanti kalau nggak ada internet
Ya,
kan
bisa.
Oke. Bapak puasa?
Puasa kan?
Insya Allah.
Lapor bawa
Tiny Bit TV-nya mana?
Hah?
Dan puasa.
Tiny Bit TV-nya mana? Ini kan? Nah ini kok
Pegel Pak tan saya.
Lah, sama aja no kekecilan. Mas Pijar ini.
Joget dulu Pak. Dari
Lupa kekecilan baterainya. Dah hot.
Dah.
That's all from me. I'm sorry when I explain the robot or the code. I have some mistake or so many mistake. Syukron. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.